Hello everyone, myself Anirudh Chaudhary from csstack.org. We are going to learn about Python list today. We all know that Python list is very important data structures and data types. We use it very frequently in our Python programming. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about the three methods to remove the elements from the list. What is the difference between these three methods and which one you should use. For this tutorial, we are going to use the csstack.org/IDE. This is the online compiler we have developed at the csstack.org. I will share the link of this IDE as well, so you can also try this IDE and execute your program. And coming back to our tutorials, where we are going to learn about the three different methods to remove the element from the Python list. So this question has been asked in many of the Python interviews as well, and if you want to be Python expert, you should know the difference between these three methods to remove the element from the Python list. So let's take an example. This is my list where we have like elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and our intention is to remove the 3 from the Python list. So the first method to remove the element from the Python list is the remove method. Let's see how you can write the program for it. So just mention the list name, my list, then dot remove. So here you have to provide the elements that you want to remove from the Python list. So I'm just mentioning the 3 over here and just printing the list again to see the output. Just click on execute button. You can see that your code is getting executed. And here is the output. So we had the list 13579. So after removing, the list has become 1579. This is the first method to remove the element from the Python list. Now just move to the second method, which is nothing but the del object, delete object. So what you have to do is you just have to type del and then you have to provide the list name. Here you have to provide the index of the elements that you want to remove. So suppose like if you want to remove the 3, the index of the 3 is 1. So I'm just mentioning the 1 here, then I'm printing list. So I'm executing the program and you can see that your program is getting executed. So this is the output. The 3 has been removed from the Python list. So this is the second method where we have to provide the index of the element to remove. Now the third method is a pop method. So again we are using the pop method to remove the element from the Python list. So we have to mention the list name, my list dot pop, and again you have to mention the index of the elements that you want to remove. So one is the index of the element 3, so I'm just mentioning the 1 here and then printing the list itself. I'm executing the code and you can see that 3 is removed from the Python list. So all these three methods can be used to remove the element from the Python list. Now the question is like, if all these three methods can be used to remove the elements from the Python list, what is the difference between them? So the first methods, remove methods, if you want to use the remove methods, you have to provide the element itself that you want to remove. But like if you are using the del or the pop method, so you have to provide the index of the elements that you want to remove. So this is the main difference between these three methods. So again, like we are providing the index of the elements to remove in the method 2 and method 3. Then what is the difference between del and the pop? So actually pop methods returns the elements that has been removed from the Python list. Suppose like I'm just getting the element here and let's print that element. So I'm executing the program again. So here you can see that the element 3 is removed from the Python list. So this is the difference between del and pop. Hope you understand the difference between these three methods. Now we will see like which one you should use. So if you know elements that you want to remove from the Python list, use the method 1. This is nothing but the remove method. and if you know the index of the elements that you want to remove, then use the del or the pop method. And now the question is like, you should use the del or the pop if you know the index of the elements, and if you want to know which element has been removed, then use the pop method. So pop method basically returns the elements that has been removed from the Python list. This is all about this tutorial. Hope you understand these three methods to remove the element from the Python list, difference between them, and which one you should use. If you have any doubt or if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Please like and share this video. I will be sharing more Python tutorials on our CSS Stack YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.